Hello adventurers! Today we will be making a coffee scrub. I've seen a few of these floating around and thought I'd share with you how I make this type of scrub. Coffee grounds are a good exfoliant, and the caffeine can help tighten skin for short periods of time and has some anti-inflammatory properties. For this scrub, we will be using about a cup of coffee grounds, a carrier oil of choice. I have olive oil and safflower oil here, cocoa butter, a coffee scented fragrance oil, castile soap, and optiphen, which is our preservative. If you intend to gift these scrubs to people, you need to include a preservative so that mold growth is inhibited and the people that you are gifting the scrubs to do not get sick. This particular recipe makes 4 4-ounce jars worth of scrub. I only bought enough coffee grounds for one batch of this scrub, so instead of my 8-ounce jars, I'm going to use these smaller ones. Now that we are ready to work, I have a food-safe bowl here. We're going to make everything, or heat everything up in the microwave. I'm doing 3 ounces of my olive oil. Come on, I just need a little more. There we go. And then we're going to do 1 ounce of my cocoa butter. And then we are going to heat this in the microwave. Now that our olive oil and cocoa butter are melted, we're going to add 1 ounce of our safflower oil. Oop, dang it, that was too much. That is okay. That is okay. Then we're going to add 1.5 ounces of our castile soap. There we go. And now we are going to add 1 ounce of our optiphen. I think I'm butchering that name. But I'm going to need to order more of these. Wait, 1. And that is as much as we need. Then we're going to mix it all up. And once the fragrance oils and everything are mixed together, which it looks like they are now, we're going to clear our scale and add 7 ounces of, I'll just leave it in there actually. We're going to add 7 ounces of our coffee. Oh, 7 exactly. Alright, we're gonna mix this all together. Make sure everything gets incorporated. And that is it for the making process. To use the scrub, you simply apply the coffee grounds to wet skin, rub the coffee ground mixture in, and then rinse off with running water and pat dry. I hope you all have a wonderful, stress-free week, and may your side quest be memorable and your main quest be fulfilling.